So we just got a letter from Diners Club issued by BDO. So this one, ang basic niya, wala talaga siyang kalaman-laman. As in, ang laman lang niya pamphlet, wala nang iba. Ganun lang siya. Tapos QR code para dun sa mga benefits at saka yung mga fees and charges, terms and conditions. Ganun lang, QR code lang talaga siya. Tapos ang nakalagay lang dito, lounge access, na free, earn travel miles, and travel insurance up to 5 million. Tapos meron pa daw siyang Wi-Fi access. Global daw. And of course, this one is Diners Club. So, medyo saucy-saucy siya. Kasi BDO nga naman, diba? That. Why is this unloved? So, usually BDO terminals lang siya accept